Did you know that there's an animal with fingerprints so remarkably similar to humans that they could be confused at a crime scene? Meet the koala, an adorable marsupial from Australia. While they look like fluffy teddy bears, they hold a fascinating secret. Their fingerprints have the same loops, whorls, and arches as ours. This is a stunning example of convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar traits. Humans and koalas diverged from a common ancestor around 70 million years ago, but koalas evolved these fingerprints independently. Scientists believe these ridges help koalas grip eucalyptus leaves, their primary food source, as they navigate their treetop world. The skin on their hands is highly sensitive, providing detailed information about their environment. This amazing adaptation highlights the incredible ways nature equips animals for survival. So next time you see a koala, remember, you're looking at a creature that shares a unique and mysterious connection with us, right down to their fingertips.